Hi everyone. Today we're tackling a common issue. We'll be replacing the transmission mount on a Lexus RX350. This is a crucial part for your vehicle. It keeps your transmission stable. A worn-out mount can cause many problems. You might feel excessive vibrations. You could hear loud clunking noises. These often happen when shifting gears or when accelerating from a stop. Replacing it yourself can save you money. It's a job you can definitely handle. Let's get started with the process. First, gather your tools. You will need a floor jack. You also need a pair of sturdy jack stands. A good wrench and socket set is essential. Make sure you have the right sizes. A torque wrench is very important for proper tightening. You might also need a pry bar. An engine support bar or a transmission jack will be necessary. This will support the transmission's weight. Safety is always our top priority. Park your car on a flat, level surface. Engage the parking brake firmly. Open the hood. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. This prevents any electrical accidents. Now, it's time to lift the vehicle. Use your floor jack to lift the front of the Lexus. Place your jack stand securely under the frame rails. Make sure they are stable. Then, slowly lower the car onto the jack stands. Ensure the car is completely supported. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Next, locate the transmission mount. On the RX350, it's typically on the passenger side of the transmission. You might need to remove some components to get clear access. This could include air intake tubing, or even the battery and its tray. Once you see the mount, you'll notice bolts. These bolts attach it to the transmission. Other bolts secure it to the vehicle's frame. This is a critical step. Support the transmission. Use your transmission jack or a floor jack with a wood block. Position it carefully under the transmission. Apply slight upward pressure. This will just take the weight off the mount. Do not lift the car with this jack. Now, you can remove the old mount. Start unbolting the mount from the transmission. Then, unbolt it from the frame. Keep track of all your bolts and washers. They must go back in the correct places. The old mount might be stuck. A pry bar can help gently free it. Carefully pull the old, worn-out mount out of its position. Take a moment to compare it to the new mount. Ensure they are identical. Install the new transmission mount. Carefully position the new mount into place. Align all the bolt holes. Start threading all the bolts by hand. Do not tighten them fully yet. Just get them snug. This ensures everything lines up correctly. Slowly lower the transmission jack. Allow the transmission to settle onto the new mount. This is important for proper seating. Now, you can tighten all the bolts. Use your torque wrench for this. Refer to your service manual for the exact torque specifications. Proper torque prevents bolts from loosening. It also prevents over-tightening damage. Reinstall any components you removed earlier. Put the battery tray back. Reattach the air intake tubing. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Double-check all your connections. Remove the jack stands. Carefully lower your Lexus RX350 back to the ground. Start the car. Listen for any unusual noises. Take a short test drive. Pay attention to vibrations. Check for any clunking sounds. The car should feel much smoother now. That's it. You've successfully replaced your RX350 transmission mount. Your car should now run much smoother. We hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY car repair videos. We really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.